So in today's video, I'm gonna be giving you guys 4 things that you can do to optimize your channel. Now, don't look at you're gonna look at my channel right now. You're gonna be like, whoa, okay, this guy has a very small channel. What is he saying? Listen to me. I've scaled multiple channels, and I'm gonna show you all of the proof in this video. So if you want to learn how to optimize your channel the right way, pay attention closely. Did you know that over 500 hours of content are uploaded to YouTube each and every hour that you're on this platform? I bet you didn't know that. Okay, this is my page. I just started this page not too long ago. You guys have all seen some of the videos. Those of you that have subscribed, those of you who are new viewers to the channel, this is what my page is all about. You feel me? The first thing that I do with my pages is I optimize my metadata. Okay, so metadata would be like the stuff that you post on your account, and then you compare and contrast. Like, you look at each one, you see which one performs the best, and then you just replicate it, right? So what I do is I use that knowledge, and I also use ChatGPT to help me develop a clearer version of what I'm trying to exactly execute. After that, right? So you do a channel analysis, figure out everything that's wrong, like going on with your channel. You know, for new channels out there, you might not be getting as many views, right? And these are some of the reasons why. So a lot of you guys, I'm going to just show you guys a couple of statistics really quick. When I first posted this video, okay, it had no views. What a shocker, right? In the first month, it didn't really get any views, right? And maybe, okay, I lied. It got about 6 views in the first day. That's not really that great, you know. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to change that, and that was recently. What I did, hold on, if I can get to it, was I optimized it. So how do you optimize your videos? You go to your analytics. No, matter of fact, I clicked the yeah. No, I'm not wrong. Yeah, you go to your analytics, right? You click over here, and then you start looking at all of your details for the video, right? So you make sure like the tags and everything are good. Like you see here, I can basically check the tags. So the next thing I just want to get into really quick, another person who inspired me when it came to YouTube in terms of like really understanding it more and understanding it better. I never went through this guy's course, by the way, and he ain't paying me to shout him out either. But it was Mac Moolah. Now, when I seen his videos, right, I noticed a very common theme in every single one of them. When he was talking about optimization, he was using a specific platform, Vidiq. Okay? Now, what Vidiq does, I'm just gonna really quick. I could show you guys my stuff. Is it's able to give you guys basically give you a more in-depth view of what it is that you're trying to do. So, really quick, if I was to type in YouTube, right? Let's say I go to the home page now. Okay, I'm gonna click on the home page. Let's see. The secret to blow up. Mr. Beast leaks the secrets.
The man who.
Okay. So with this, right, what I'm able to now see is I can click on the views. I can see all of the information on this video, how it performed, what day that it did, what number. I can check the overview, and then I can now go down here, and I can see what tags they used. Right now, their SEO score right now is a 34.9 out of 100, which it means it's a very low performing video right now, but at the same time, the good thing with YouTube is that your videos don't die. So like if I post a video on TikTok right now, right now on TikTok, I'm currently averaging about 100K views a month, right? If you're on TikTok though, right, those videos, the longevity of them, they don't just stick around for that long, right? It's not going to be there in 10 years and people are looking up the same thing. Whereas when you're on YouTube and people are looking things up, it's running off of a search engine. So you're basically being compared to Google. You understand? So the next thing I want to get into really quick is engaging with your community, right? So like I know a lot of people, like they post content all the time. they'll never respond to their comments, bro. You need to be responding to your comments. Even if it's one person. Even if it's 1.5 person. Respond. What are you doing on here then? That person took the time out of their day to respond to something you just said while you were just recording a video. You understand? That person was relating to you to a certain level. You need to respond to your community, bro. How do you expect to grow on a platform if you're not talking to anybody on there? Make it make sense. You can't be Hollywood on YouTube. Okay? Number 3. You need to be experimenting with content formats, right? So that's another thing tying back to what I was saying earlier was that oh shit, I clicked on the wrong thing. No. What I was saying earlier was that you need to be experimenting with the type of content that you're making, right? These are different video formats. You see here, I did a video where I did a movie review. I did another video where I was talking about Vine coming back and what you can do to go viral on this new platform that might come out. I did a reaction video, right? You've seen these are my recent videos. I did a video about how Mr. Beast had an AI scam that was happening. I did a video about astral projection. You understand? I did a video about Gen Z being antisocial. All of these things, bro, they all turn into content that can be binge worthy. Let me ask you something. If you were watching a TV show and they only had 1 episode, you wouldn't be pissed off? You might as well just go to the movies. If you were trying to watch a TV series right now and there was 1 episode on there, why would you stay? The thing with YouTube is that it's about compounding, okay? If you guys understand what compounding is, it's when when over time, right, your views might not look it now, but it adds up. Why? Because over time, right, as you continue to post 1 video a week, 2 videos a week, 3 videos a week, now you've got an account, and we're talking about a year later, now you look back, depending on how frequently you post, by the way, because it's different for everyone. You could have over 1,000 videos by the end of the year on this page. All videos that you can be found by, searched up, and and depending on what you do, right, that can change your life. Now, number 4, consistency is key. Okay, so you need to be consistent. Like as I was saying, it's compounding, right? You need to be consistent when you are using this platform. This is not one of those platforms where you can be lazy and expect results. No. If there's one thing I learned from TikTok is that you need to be consistently posting, otherwise you get shadow banned. And you don't want to get shadow banned after months and months and months of coming up with ideas to post. Right? So but after that, I mean, that about sums it up. You feel me? I don't know, I'm not going to sit here and act like I'm the biggest expert on, or the guru on how to grow, right? But what I can say is that my stats prove it. So really quick, I just want to show you guys something as well. I'm going to show you guys another YouTube page that I have that has over 75,000 subscribers. All right, so hi everybody, I'm back. This is the account that I'm talking about. You see, I have 75,800 subscribers on this account. I originally started this account when I was in high school. I made this account when I was in high school, around 19 years old. The account had only had 100 subscribers. Now mind you, this is my music profile, okay? I've been posting on this profile since I was 19 years old. You understand? Look at that, 5-6 years ago. That's a minute ago, brother. Now, what changed? What made the account hit 75,000 subscribers? Now, look, anything I post on this page is golden. If people listen to my music now through this page, I don't really care for Instagram. It doesn't matter. Right? Now, what changed this page, though? What changed on this channel was that I started going to the analytics. I changed the keywords that were popping up in here. So you see this? Welcome to Paztobb's Vivo page, a captivating destination where art, music, and creativity converge to inspire and uplift audiences worldwide. Delve into the yada, 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 keywords. are very important. And look at how many views my channel has. 38,368,904 views. Can I get a round of applause? Now, this can be you. And all you have to do is apply the steps that I'm giving you right now. I will be making a part 2 on this. So, I think that's about it though. You feel me? I'm going to keep it short and sweet. You feel me? This number right here, if you guys have been looking up here, has been gradually just piggybacking back and forth for the last, as long as I've been recording this video, to be honest. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I was able to, help somebody out there that might want to figure out how to actually grow your channel. Comment down below what you guys want to watch next. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys.